Luxury Manhattan Renovation reality series for Corniel Construction LLC. Reel 1, wet over dry, the board rejection. This layout can get rejected fast. In Manhattan renovations, moving a bathroom is not just a design decision. Many co-ops and condos review wet over dry conditions before layouts move forward. That luxury bathroom idea may affect plumbing locations, neighbor impact, and building review requirements. The smartest renovations start with planning before demolition begins. Corniel Construction helps coordinate with architects, licensed trades, and building requirements to help plan around issues early in the process. Corniel Construction LLC, Manhattan and NYC Renovations. Follow for real Manhattan renovation life. Reel 2, COI Insurance, the gatekeeper. No COI, no work. In Manhattan buildings, construction does not start just because the contractor arrives. Before materials, workers, or deliveries enter the building, management often requires insurance documents and approvals. One missing document can delay an entire renovation schedule. Luxury renovation in NYC is not only about finishes, it is paperwork, logistics, timing, and coordination. Corniel Construction helps organize the documentation and coordination needed to reduce avoidable delays before work begins. Reel 3. Building hours, schedule reality. The building picks your hours. In Manhattan renovations, the schedule is not fully controlled by the contractor. Many buildings limit work hours, elevator access, deliveries, and noise windows. Miss a delivery slot and the project can lose an entire day. Luxury construction in NYC requires precision coordination with building rules, neighbors, and management requirements. Corniel Construction understands Manhattan renovation logistics and helps keep projects moving within building regulations. Reel 4. Hidden conditions. The wall opens, the budget changes. Older Manhattan buildings can hide decades of surprises behind the walls. Previous repairs, old wiring, outdated plumbing, and structural changes no one expected. The luxury finish everyone sees is only possible if the hidden conditions are handled correctly first. Experienced renovation teams prepare for the unknown, document discoveries clearly, and coordinate the proper next steps when conditions change. Corniel Construction helps clients navigate these realities before small issues become larger problems. Reel 5, waterproofing, the invisible shield. The tile looks great, the waterproofing matters more. Luxury tile means nothing if water gets behind the system. In Manhattan bathrooms, waterproofing beneath the finish is one of the most important parts of the build. Leaks can affect neighboring units, building systems, and long-term performance. The clean final look only works when the layers underneath are planned correctly. Corniel Construction coordinates proper waterproofing systems, and licensed trade work where required before the final finishes are installed. Follow for real Manhattan renovation life. DM Plan.